Hi Nick, you feel the pressure for this race?
Yeah, of course, but that's natural. And if you don't feel the pressure, you don't feel nervous, you don't really care about it. So I like that.
What you can think about what happened the last year, where you also has been in this position to win the championship, as it was bad for you, but you can take some teach from this race, or is other question in other race?
It's kind of deja vu for me, to be honest. I mean, last year, to be honest, I think we were in the best position. I got taken out in Rome, so that kind of put me in that position for London. This year was, in my opinion, similar in Portland, taken out for the second race, so that made it a bit more closer this weekend than ideal, but it's how it is.
It's special to fight against your friend in the same team.
Yeah, I hope we don't fight as much as Portland.
And what you can say about the circuit, about the track?
Looking forward to it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Good luck.
Thanks very much.
Bye.